Hello everyone, this is Victor Momo from Excel Moments, and in this video I want to show how to extract a unique list of items while excluding blanks. In a sense, so here's the situation and here's the data. So I have a list of donors and the amounts they've donated to a charitable cause. So I have a donations sheet here where I have those who've donated, and maybe I have a longer list of people, some who didn't donate for personal reasons, right? So what I'm just doing here is kind of just a VLOOKUP, return the amount donated. But what we want to see here is just a unique list of amounts. Okay, fine. Yes, 100 people donated, but 15, 20, but how many unique amounts were donated? That's what I want. It kind of feels like it's so easy, but it is actually using, the dynamic arrays. I can just use the unique function. So I pull up the unique function. I select this, Control Shift down, close the bracket, enter. And I have my unique list of amounts, but I have a problem. There's a blank in here. And when you look at my donations here, you can see that there are about 4 blank cells. And of course, when you use the unique function, it removes all the duplicates and returns it. But you don't want that because that's technically not an amount in a sense. So what you want to do is you want to return, a unique list of non-zero or non-blank, amounts or items, if you may. It kind of feels like it's easy. The unique function should be able to figure this out. But you try it and realize, you hit a brick wall. So what do? You bring in another function, which is the filter function, because in a sense, what you want to do is just to find the unique list of non-zero or non-blank items. So we can use the filter to get rid of any item that is, blank or zero, and then we then put the unique around it. So let's start with the filter function. Easy enough. So where's my array? This is still my array. Control Shift down. Now it says include. Which items do you want to include? You just want to include items that are not blank. That's really it. Not blank, right? You know what this is going to give you if you evaluate this? So you have a unique list now, and the blanks have been expunged. So once you have that done, you just put your unique function around it. Sorry. So unique, and you close the bracket and enter. And now you have a unique list of non-zero or non-blank amounts. Okay, so that's it for this video, something short and sweet. So if you like the video, hit the like button. You can also subscribe to the channel Excel Moments. If you have comments, questions, please post them in the comments section. I'm out.